Question is limit x tends to 2, y tends to 3, x cube plus y square divided by x square minus y. As we can see, x and y value are not tending to 0. So we can find limit x tends to 2, limit y tends to 3, x cube plus y square, x square minus y, and limit y tends to 3, x tends to 2, x cube plus y square divided by x square minus y. So if x and y value are not tending to 0, finding these two limit and concluding our result will be enough. If both the values tends to 0, that means we have to find one more limit considering y equal to mx. So here it is easy. Y cube, sorry, y tends to 3 and here y square is there. So 3 square. Then in this function only x in terms of x, so you put x value. So 8 plus 9 and 4 minus 3, you will get 17. Similarly here also 2 cube plus y square and 2 square minus y. So 8 plus y square, 4 minus y. Now y value we can substitute. So it will be 8 plus 9 by 1 means 17. So finally both are equal. So our final limit will be equal to 17. Limit value will be 17.